If your goal is high quality water,
and that's what I call high quality H2O.
This is just an estimate for a brand I found online. 30 bottles of this particular brand is going to cost you $35. That's a bottle of water a day for one person. So you got a family of 4 or a family of 6, and you're just still talking getting one bottle of water a day. You guys hear what I'm saying? So just again, just giving you the comparison to give you something to think about. If you're hesitant or haggling on the price or this thing is expensive, take it into consideration what it's going to cost you in the long run. Again, like I said, the 3 filters that I showed you in the video, one filter has to be replaced every 6 months, the other one every year, and then the other one every 2 years. So for $450, you're going to be covered for 2 years. You can follow instructions, you can do this. So this system, again, you will need to have an outlet under your sink, as you can see. Now I ended up having to rewire this because we have a dishwasher, as you can see. And before I had it wired where the dishwasher cuts on and off by the switch. So I had to separate the outlet. So one half of the outlet is operating the dishwasher disposal. The disposal. And the other half has power all the time so it can feed this machine right here. So if you don't have that, if you're not comfortable doing that, hire an electrician or somebody that can do it for you. Watch a YouTube video, whatever you need to do. So in here, this is where all your filters are. These are your 3 filters. You have your CP, your reverse osmosis, and your TC. When that time comes that you need to replace your filter, all you do is put the tool on, crank it, undo the filter, take it out, slide the new one in. You guys are good to go. It has a digital readout to show you what quality of water that you're getting. So one of the readouts you're going to see when I turn this on is you're going to see your TDS levels. I'm going to say it phonetically. That's T as in Tom, D as in David, S as in Sam. Shows you the level of your totally dissolved solids that's in your drinking water. So just to give you an idea, I'm going to put up a graph right here on the screen so you can actually see it. So once this display lights up when I turn it on, anything between 0 to 50 is pure and excellent water. Okay, again, anything between 0 and 50 is pure and excellent water. 50 to 150, that's good water. 150 to 300, that's acceptable. 300 to 500 is fair. Anything above 500 is unacceptable. So let's turn this on and let's see what level this reverse osmosis system is giving us in our water. Remembering what I just said. So again, this is plugged in underneath the sink and it's hooked to our water supply. We're going to shut this on right here or turn it on. Now what do you see as I move this out of the way? So this water right here is being filtered. So what did I just say a moment ago? Your totally dissolved solids level range chart. 0 to 50 means pure and excellent. What are you saying right there? We're at 10. So I want you to think about this versus the water that you get out of your tap right here. Okay, this is coming straight from the city or your municipality or wherever you live. Now think about that. If 3 to 500 is fair, wouldn't you want to be between 0 to 50%? How else are you going to get that unless you have a system just like this to help you get there? Think about it. Love you guys.